Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, starting my vlog in car. So first thing I would like to tell you guys that yes, I have thought of vlogging every week, like weekend vlogs. So yes, I'll get something new content for my channel and we can even get in touch, since when we do vlogs we can know each other personally. That's the point. And second thing, yes, I have my weekends different every week, so I thought why not vlog it out. So yes, so today's last weekend I went Lonavala with my cousins, and yes, of course you might have seen that vlog, that's already on my channel. So today is Saturday, that is 16th of July, and today the plan is that first thing, I'm super late, it's 11 o'clock, I have to go for a meeting. And yes, I'm going Starbucks. After that I have to shoot few videos, I have to clean my room, I have to do a lot of things. So I'll just take you guys along. And yes, car tour, car को भी सजाना है because अभी तक time ही नहीं मिला है. So if you guys don't know, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I have took a new car. That is obviously a second-hand car, but we have purchased it from an authorized dealer, that is True Bill. You can check their website, where I'll show you. They have even gifted a lot of things. See. So yes, we have took from there and it is Grand i10. And yes, petrol fill करना है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी है here and there. So let's go. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just do subscribe and hit like to this video because मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ. Yes, so let's start. टैप कर दो, टैप. Okay guys, reached home. Petrol भरवा दिया है. Had done with meeting, had coffee, and you won't believe I'm going to shoot a coffee video. So today I'm going to have like a lot of coffee whole day. So yes, and it was even raining, and yes, you can see my hair is also like gone. पर ठीक है, it's 2 o'clock and yes, so abhi I'll go home, shoot a video or just get fresh. Let's see, even I don't know. Once I go home I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, went home and then came down again ये फ्रोटर लेने के लिए कॉफ़ी मका, because I wanted to make that video and जो मेरे घर पे था वो वाला wasn't working in short. So yes, so came down. Now we'll go home, now shoot the video and a lot of things. Okay guys, all set. ये थर्ड वाला रह गया और एक फोर्थ वन, सॉरी, वेट आई विल गेट. Okay guys, done with the coffee wala video. You can see the mess need to clear, and my brother has tasted the coffee. Neil bhai bhi coffee. Huh? Bhai bhi coffee. Bhai bhi. My mom didn't like bhai bhi coffee.
Hot coffee.
Okay. Okay, she liked the hot coffee, but cold coffee was okay. You can watch the whole video. I'll put the link of the video in the description box, so you can definitely go and watch the video. And yes, मैंने ऐसे ही शूट कर दिया, like कोई भी मेकअप वेकअप नहीं किया, ऐसे ही शूट कर दिया. I don't know why. Okay, now it's like 5:30. Let's see what's next. मेरा फ़ोन का कैमरा का बैटरी भी ख़त्म हो गया. I don't know, I kept on charge, but then also वो ख़त्म हो गया. So I don't know what I'll be doing. I'll just first clear this mess and let's see, I'll just wind up for today. Maybe tomorrow we'll start the shooting again. तब तक चार्ज भी कर लेते हैं. Let's see what's there. See you then. Okay guys, so video तो कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद we have to clean this as well. Again. Okay guys, so the next plan over here which I have thought is to clean this mess. Yes, now if you ask me, ब्लॉगर्स का घर ऐसे ही होता है. Like इतने पार्सल्स आते हैं, इतना आउटफिट्स ट्राई करने रहते हैं, इतना वीडियोस करने रहते हैं, रील्स करने रहते हैं, ये सब वो सब. एंड मंडे टू फ्राइडे आई हैव वर्क, लाइक आई प्रॉपर गो टू ऑफिस, 9 to 5 वाला वर्क है. So obviously Saturday Sunday time milta hai, so I have to do all these on Saturday Sunday. So basically I'll be just cleaning this and get done with this. Okay guys, so I'll be just cleaning this mess all over here. एंड नीचे वो पैकेजिंग के बॉक्स रहते हैं, एम्प्टी बॉक्स, जो हम लोग एक साथ में भैया को बुला के दे देते हैं व्हेन वी गिव न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, और एल्स आई जस्ट रीयूज इट for my other stuffs. So yes, I'll just clean this mess, but before that I'll just tie my hair and get fresh. Okay, so usually I travel on weekends, so time nahi milta hai, but whenever I'm at home I make sure that I do these things. Okay guys, the mess over here is cleaned and over here is also almost cleaned. Ye wala I have to try and make a video of all of these, like ye sab. So I'll just do this tomorrow, and yes, and वो वाला mess if you ask me. And ये नीचे कुछ नहीं, boxes है, यहाँ पे भी boxes है, so वो भैया आएंगे तब भी होगा. And this outfit, wait, I'll show you. Okay, these outfit, अगर ये this I ordered from Amazon few days back, and ये बहुत ही लूज़ हो रहा था. इसको कट करवा के करवाया, फिर भी I feel it is quite loose, और कट करवा के करवाना पड़ेगा. So yes, it's like this. ऐसे ही होता है. And if you ask me, these are the pillows which are again from Amazon, and I will be putting this in my car. Okay, so these are the 3 pillows which I'll be putting in the car. ये cloud वाला है. It's quite good, I like it. तो ये मुझे मेरे brother ने gift किया था, but I haven't used it much. So the quality is good, like quite good. You can order this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. Okay guys, so if you ask me, then I would say one thing is that इतना कॉफ़ी पी लिया ना, लाइक मॉर्निंग से इफ़ यू सी लाइक स्टारबक्स में एक बड़ा सा वो कॉफ़ी मग पिया, एंड देन आई हैड दिस वीडियो के लिए कॉफ़ीज लाइक 8 हाफ, तो लाइक बहुत कॉफ़ी पी लिया. नाउ लंच तो इनफैक्ट किया ही नहीं है. येस, यू कैन सी आई हैवंट डन द लंच, बट नाउ येस आई विल हैव डिनर में अच्छे से पानी पूरी बनाया है. इफ़ यू गाइज लाइक पानी पूरी, डू लेट मी नो in the comment section. And what else? Okay, so Starbucks mein I had Java chip with add-on vanilla. Yes. So if you are wondering और Starbucks नहीं गए हो, it's okay. It happens with everyone. First time जाते हो, order करने में problem होता है. You can definitely order Java chip. आँख बंद करके वो order कर दो. You will definitely like it. Like if you are a coffee person, और वो confusion होता ही है, obvious है. So वो order कर दो, and then once you get used to, you can experiment with your coffees. Okay. Now yes, I'll just change and let's see. अगर ये सब कार में रख के आती हूँ तो आती हूँ. It's raining I guess, तो since it is raining I won't be going down, and वो कार पे नहीं रखने वाला है. And at night I'll be just watching series. Today it's Saturday night, और तो कुछ plan नहीं है. I just need rest. The series which I am watching is that Korean series. वैसे तो I am not a series or a movie person, but अभी one of my friend recommended, so I started with that Korean series Crash on Land, ऐसा ही कुछ तो है, but I am liking it, and hopefully आज वो finish हो जाएगा. I am on 7th or 8th episode maybe, तो there are 16 episodes, so I am planning कि वो आज finish हो जाए. So let's see, I am liking it, so you can try that thing. And now, yeah, that's it. Signing off for now. Okay guys, good morning. Not good morning, good afternoon maybe. Yes, so it's Sunday, obvious. I wake up late. Yesterday night I was watching series, and yes, वो सोते late हो गया है. Okay, so the plan for today is to shoot a video, to shoot some reels, and later car arrange करने जाना है, and that's it, and then relax. Hopefully it works out. Let's see. Okay guys, all set for the shoot. We'll start with the shoot, and it's already like 4 o'clock and I'm very bored, but okay, let's finish with this shoot thing. Okay guys, so these are the pillows which I showed yesterday. वो इधर रख देते पीछे, वो जो documents है वो proper कर देते हैं. And this is the wind chime, kind of wind chime which I have already kept on office, at my office, and I had one extra pair, so which I am thinking to hang over here. So I'll just do that. Okay guys, so it's done. Now it's already like, I'll tell you, like it's 6:30, 6:30. I'll just chill some more time, have snacks, evening snacks maybe, or maybe just have dinner and watch the series. वो series मुझे खत्म करना है. Yesterday I watched till 9th episode. 16 episodes है, definitely नहीं होने वाला है, लेकिन जितना होता है, I just want to finish it off by this weekend, so next weekend I can have another fun. So yes, just we'll leave for home. Yeah. Okay guys, this is a steel straw which I have ordered from Amazon long back. I'll put the link of this as well in the description box. It's amazing, like it's good, yeah. So now nothing, I'll just end this vlog over here. I don't know how the vlog will turn out. This is the first time I've done a weekly vlog. I've started with a weekly vlog and I'm at home. So yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This video was something fun to watch and you enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video, and do follow me on my Instagram so we can connect and you'll know more about me. So yes, see you in next video. Bye bye.